Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech AI. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to doodle on photo using Photoleap. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Photoleap app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, you can see options like edit photo, generate AI tools, avatar, etc. At the bottom of your screen, you're gonna see three options: home, plus sign, and projects. Tap on the plus sign, then select edit photo there. Once you do that, choose a photo that you want to doodle on. Now on your screen, at the bottom, you're gonna see options like cutout, adjust, filters, remove, retouch, effects, crop, reshape, and finally brushes. Tap on brushes, then select doodle from the options given on your screen. Now go ahead, select the color that you want to doodle with. Then you can also select brush tip or brush. I'm gonna select this one. Doodle whatever you like. Tap on tick mark from the bottom right corner. Once you've doodled on the picture, just go ahead and tap on save from the top right corner. And guys, that's it. That's how you doodle on photo using Photoleap. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.